Welcome to the GoLogica AngularJS course. Discover how to build dynamic single-page applications with powerful features like two-way data binding and directives. Let's transform your web development skills and dive into AngularJS together. We can start with the roadmap. About course prerequisites. Of course, eligibility of the course. Key roles and responsibilities. Salaries training program. About course. AngularJS is an open-source front-end web application framework developed and maintained by Google. It was designed to simplify the process of building dynamic, single-page applications, SPAs, by extending HTML capabilities and providing a structured framework for client-side development. The AngularJS course delivers a detailed training program that teaches a complete understanding of building dynamic single-page web applications with AngularJS technology. The curriculum covers essential AngularJS topics that include two-way data binding in addition to directives controller services, and the MVC architecture for building complete AngularJS proficiency. The training program allows learners to learn practical skills for creating applications that scale and maintain well through real-life projects and application development exercises. It's important to note that AngularJS refers specifically to the 1.x versions of the framework. Later versions of the framework, starting from Angular or Angular 2+, are built with TypeScript and have significant architectural differences and improvements over AngularJS. AngularJS provides a robust foundation for developing dynamic web applications by enhancing HTML, automating synchronization between the model and view, and offering a structured development approach. The prerequisites of the AngularJS course. The prerequisites for an AngularJS course typically include a solid understanding of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript fundamentals. Familiarity with basic programming concepts like variables, functions, and arrays is essential. Some courses may also recommend knowledge of web development tools and a basic grasp of RESTful APIs. While experience with jQuery or other JavaScript libraries can be beneficial, it is not mandatory, making AngularJS accessible for those with foundational web development skills. Eligibility criteria of the AngularJS course. Applicants must have a basic understanding of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, as AngularJS relies on these core web technologies. Familiarity with client-side scripting and MVC concepts is beneficial, but not mandatory. Foundational coding skills and a willingness to learn are essential. No formal degree is required, however. Prior experience in web development or similar programming environments can enhance understanding of AngularJS concepts effectively. The key roles and responsibilities of AngularJS. AngularJS is a robust framework that plays several key roles in modern web application development. Its responsibilities can be understood in terms of the various features and architectural patterns it provides to simplify building dynamic, interactive applications. Here's a breakdown of its primary roles and responsibilities. Structuring the application with MVC, MVVM. Separation of concerns. AngularJS encourages a separation between the business logic model, user interface view, and application logic controller, view model. This separation makes the application easier to manage, develop, and test. Organized code base. By adhering to the MVC or MVVM architecture, AngularJS helps keep the code modular and organized, which is particularly important as applications grow in size and complexity. Two-way data binding. Real-time synchronization. One of the AngularJS standout features is its two-way data binding, where changes in the model are automatically reflected in the view and vice versa. This reduces the need for manual DOM manipulation and simplifies the code required to update the user interface. Enhanced user experience. This automatic synchronization helps in creating more responsive and dynamic interfaces, as the view always reflects the current state of the model. Directives and custom HTML elements. Extending HTML. AngularJS uses directives to extend HTML with custom attributes and elements, which allows developers to create reusable components. Directives can manipulate the DOM, handle events, and even create complex UI widgets. Behavior encapsulation. By encapsulating behavior in directives, AngularJS promotes code reuse and separation of concerns, making it easier to manage complex UI interactions. Dependency injection, DI. Simplified service management. The AngularJS built-in dependency injection system makes it easier to manage and inject dependencies, such as services, factories, and other components. This leads to more maintainable and testable code. Enhanced testability. With DI, developers can easily replace components with mocks or stubs during testing, leading to more efficient unit testing practices. Template management and declarative programming. HTML-based templates. AngularJS uses plain HTML as its template language, which is then enhanced with Angular-specific syntax for data binding and directives. This approach makes the templates both powerful and easy to understand. Declarative UI. The framework's approach to building interfaces in a declarative manner helps in reducing boilerplate code and clarifies the relationship between the application state and the user interface. Routing and navigation for single-page applications. Client-side routing. AngularJS provides routing capabilities to map URLs to specific views and controllers. This enables the creation of single-page applications, SPAs, where navigation between different parts of the application happens without a full-page reload. Enhanced user experience. The routing system helps maintain a fluid and dynamic user experience, similar to that of desktop applications. Modularity and reusability. Component-based development. AngularJS encourages a modular development approach where components, services, and directives are defined in separate modules. This modularity enhances code reusability and maintainability. Scalability. By organizing code into distinct modules, AngularJS makes it easier to scale applications and integrate new features without impacting the existing system. Testing support. Built-in testing tools. AngularJS was designed with testing in mind. It provides tools and patterns that facilitate unit testing and end-to-end testing, ensuring that the application is robust and reliable. Ease of mocking. With dependency injection and modular architecture, AngularJS allows developers to easily mock dependencies during testing, leading to more effective isolation of components. Salaries. Salaries for developers with AngularJS skills can vary widely based on factors such as geographic location, years of experience, the specific role and industry, and whether the developer is working for a startup or a large corporation. Here's a general overview. Entry-level junior developers. Typically, salaries might range from $60,000 to $80,000 per year. Mid-level developers often see salaries in the range of $80,000 to $120,000 per year. Senior developers, leads, can command salaries from $120,000 to $160,000 per year, depending on expertise and responsibilities. Training program. GoLogica presents a complete AngularJS training designed to equip you with the skills needed to build dynamic, single-page web applications, as well as we have discussed before, key roles and more topics. Our AngularJS training not only focuses on technical knowledge, but also provides resume-building assistance, ensuring that your profile stands out to potential employers. We offer interview preparation sessions, including mock interviews, and frequently asked questions to boost your confidence and help you secure your dream job. Additionally, upon successful course completion, you will receive an industry-recognized certification, validating your expertise in AngularJS and enhancing your job prospects. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced developer looking to upgrade your skills, GoLogica AngularJS training is designed to provide you with in-depth knowledge and hands-on practice. Enroll today and take a step toward becoming a proficient AngularJS developer with the right guidance, career support, and certification to accelerate your professional growth.